Welcome. If you're looking to share your experience activity updates on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can let your friends and followers see what you're up to in your favorite Roblox experiences. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom or side of your screen for the More icon. This icon usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust different aspects of your Roblox account and app experience. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place. Now, look for the section labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on this option. This is where you control who can see your activity and how your content is shared on Roblox. Within the privacy settings, you'll see an option called Visibility and Private Servers. Click on Visibility. This section is all about who can view your activity and updates on Roblox. Here's the important part. Find the setting called Share Activity Updates. There should be a toggle or switch next to it. Click to enable this feature. Once it's turned on, your friends and followers will be able to see updates about your experience activity, like what games you're playing or achievements you've unlocked. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sharing your experience activity updates on the Roblox app for PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to connect with your Roblox community and keep everyone in the loop about your latest adventures. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends so they can update their settings too. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming on Roblox.